Today, I'm here to present the term paper for quality system management. So I will be discussing the single minute exchange of die or the SMED. This is a TPM key performance index. Right. So for the content of my report, we have the introduction, materials and methods, results and discussions, conclusions and references. Right. So for the introduction, so at first, what is SMED? Right. So SMED is a application of a lean manufacturing methodology which aims to reduce setup time and increase its productivity, right? It also aims to reduce the changeover times to single minutes. So let's say, for example, we are encountering big downtime because of the changeover or the replacements. So the application of SMED can help through the production line to apply and minimize the changeover times being encountered, right? And lastly, it has also the application and aims to eliminate the waste that can optimize the production processes and achieves the maximum efficiency of your production line, right? So for the materials and methods, we have here the hand switch. So at first, the conventional hand switch, as you can see in the picture. So it's composed of the built-in wires from panel boards direct to the control panels, right? And on the other one is the plug-and-play hand switch, which is composed of the removable plugs, and thus separates the wires and the hand switch itself, right? So this is the application of this method that we will be discussing about, right? Okay, so for the operation, we have here the molding operation. So the hand switch activity is to move the mechanical devices to perform the molding activity. Okay, so after the molding activity, the product will be unloaded and it will be measured according to the dimensions needed on the specification. So the worker itself will measure the uh, s- uh, product results, right, in terms of dimension. Okay. So for the aspect, we have here the materials, methods, machines, downtime, productivity, and quality checks. Okay. So some of these are similar targets, comparison of built-in and plug-and-play. However, there are three items also that need to be compared though. So at first is the method. Okay. So on the built-in hand switch, the damaged hand switch will be repaired in line, which causes downtime, and the plug-and-play hand switch will be repaired offline. So basically, after the replacement of the damaged part or the broken part, it will be immediately replaced, and the production will immediately resume also. Okay. Next is the machine. Okay, the machine will stop its operation during the repair for the built-in hand switch, while for the plug-and-play, as mentioned, the machine will continue its operation after the replacement. Okay. And then the downtime also, so the MTTR or the mean time to repair is dependent to the times of machine stoppage for the built-in hand switch. While for the plug-and-play hand switch, the MTTR will assume to be the least possible time of the operation, right? And also the productivity, we have the same target of this one, percentage of OEE and availability rate, right? Okay, so for the descriptive statistics, the mean, the standard deviation, and the process capability. Okay, so for both result of the mean, the dimension of diameter and length, so both are within the specification limit for built-in and plug-and-play hand switch, right? Also for the standard deviation, it is very near to each other or very comparable. And also for the CPK, it maintains nearly on both items, and it also um, achieves the condition of 1.33 CPK, which is the ideal in the production line, right? Okay, so the aim is to maintain the similar results of both devices used. Okay, so for the OEE application of the TPM, you can see here the result of the March 2025 only increased by to 87.95%. Okay, so OEE increased after the application of the SMED, right? So for the parameters of the OEE, which is the quality, productivity, performance, and availability. Okay, so at first for the quality, it increased up to 95.17% after the application of SMED. And also for the performance, it increased up to 93.39%. And the significant items that we are focusing is the availability, which increased to 98.96%, which is highest from the month of November, going to the month of March. Okay, so these three parameters increased after the implementation, right? Okay, also for the meantime to repair records. So as you can see here, this trend from November to March for the hand switch failure event and also the MTTR records. Okay, so for the month of November going to January 2025, the total repair time is 427 minutes with MTTR at 16.25 minutes. Okay, so as we can see for the failure event, it has 26 times failure event, we have 20 times failure event and 33 times failure event for month of January, from November to January respectively, right? And also for the February, we can see after the application of the SMED at 55% of all production machines. So total repair time reduced down to 226.25 minutes. And also the MTTR significantly dropped to 9.05 minutes, right? Given the fact that the failure event is very similar or comparable with the previous 3 months, which is the November, December, and the January. And lastly, for the month of March 2025, after the application of the SMED at 100% of all the machines in the product lines, okay, so total repair time is at 37.5 minutes at MTTR of 1.25. But as we can see, the failure event is very similar or comparable with the other months, right? We have 30 times event failed of the concern of the hand switch, right? So for the conclusion, implementation of SMED methodology effectively minimized the changeover repair times as mentioned earlier, and demonstrating the significant improvement in the maintenance efficiency, right? Also, the OEE, including or especially the components of it, the availability, the performance, and the quality, showed improvement at 4.71%, all right? And then the MTTR was greatly reduced also, achieving 92.31% of the improvement after the full adaptation of the SMED. And lastly, the study confirms that the SMED, when properly applied and monitored, can gain substantial benefits in the production. That's all. Thank you.